Want better color control on your Canon camera for printing or editing? By default, it's set to sRGB, but switching the color space can give you more flexibility. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color space setting on your Canon camera. Let's do it right now. First, turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the second camera icon tab. Here you can find the color space option. Click on it. Here you will get two options, like sRGB and Adobe RGB. sRGB is best for web, social media, and general use. And Adobe RGB is better for professional photo editing and printing. So on your Canon camera, sRGB will be selected as the default. If you want to change it, then select Adobe RGB, and after selecting, press the set button to save it. And that's how you can change the color space of your Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.